Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Garden Stories. Today's video is about balcony makeover. So this is our balcony before the makeover. So let's start the cleaning of this area. My sister and my cousins helped me a lot during this. So let's quickly start the cleaning. After this, we placed wooden ply for making sitting place in the balcony. After this, we plan to shift this to here and put bed sheet and some pillows to make it comfortable sitting area. I also put these frames on the wall. I found this ladder-like thing in our storeroom and trying to use this as a plant hanger. I chose these two plants, Sansevieria green and sweet potato, to hang there, and it really turns out very amazing, and I love the whole view here. After that, I planned to hang one hanging planter on the same wall. So I chose this pothos or money plant. It really looks very amazing, and the whole view of this sitting area is very quirky and nice. I love this. For this, I just paint this wooden piece of oil charkha, and let's have the view. Final result comes out to be really good, and I place this on all tire and use this as a corner. try to make my working space very simple with table and chairs. I place my favorite peace lily plant on my working table and I love the whole view from here. And here with hanging pots on the wall, I place this plant rack with some plants on it. And this is my favorite small germination area where all the seedlings are growing. And this is the whole look of this area. And let's have the before and after look.